Little toddler try roll with the big boys. You're gonna learn a valuable lesson.
Yeah, man. Little more. All you them for finding a shallow grave, somewhere. Take bad man money and can't deliver.
Oh, no, it don't make sense. That's why you say you feel like Carlton have nothing to do with the container of my wife.
Exactly. And it now make no sense. But if Tony can frame Carlton, that means him get him out of the way and get all of the big contract them.
The thing is now, for proof that Tony have something to do with it.
Good. You follow me?
Hello, sir. Me did pay attention in my technical analysis class then.
The issue now is to convince Mullins say Carlton innocent. Because trust me, him not take no talk.
Remember say Carlton don't say anything, babe. And Pops Apri say, if him take him out, he would have deserve it.
But as a credible agency, we can't go down the road there.
I'm in total agreement. So what you suggest?
You get us some more intelligence and things, because it come like Tony and two in a some way or the other, And it look like him operate from deep underground,
Hey. Hear my man talk about intelligence work.
What you mean? Me not always do intelligence work.
You? Mr. Cut and go through? Mr. Kill them all and done?
Some things waste time pan, But you have to do your due diligence.
I'm glad to hear that from you. Because once you go in an intelligence mode, we get good results.
Why, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome, sir.
So how the course I go so far?
It's a got really good in man. Enough information and insight.
Can imagine.
You know what I find interesting is that a whole heap of youths right across the world share the same things in common. It's just that there's a universal approach to it and we are overlook it.
We just not spend time on certain fundamental things.
We as law enforcers play a very important part in our community development. We just don't know our power.
It's not that we don't know, It's just that powers that be to govern the people and set them bound. Yeah. We keep them in line. Not to serve and protect.
It's sad though, because our poor people are keep poor people in line. Police are poor people, pitney too.
Our slave mentality, man. Put them in a uniform. Them turn guard dog.
No disrespect still in a way, man. That's why me couldn't turn out regular police, Too much corruption in it, man.
Exactly.
Well, I have some ideas on what I love implement still. I just talk to the regular police them. I have them help me put them in place.
Good luck with that.
Wow. That's very encouraging.
No, man. Truth is, if anybody can get something like this off of the ground, it's you.
That's better.
So, which island of the world is they now?
You know, say you open my message them, but you not read them.
Of course, me read them.
You read the rude one them. The one them with the information you not read. I'm in Greece now, sir. I left Germany, I went to Rome, I left Rome, and I came to Greece. Tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock, I'm on a flight to Sweden.
Wow. Proper tour?
We deal with different communities, So, we have to go in there and vibe with the people them a little and settle.
I understand, man.
No, you want me to do community work, sir? So you must understand. Hold on. Hi, Sarah. Yeah, man, you can pick me up in 30 minutes. Alright, cool. Yes, my love, you heard that. I am going on the road. So I love you, I miss you, and we will talk later.
Okay, baby girl. Take care.
Okay, bye. Mwah.
Think of time you get a coolie boy, they a page, Yeah, man.
visit. Soon pay you a visit. All you Carlton Wallace, is a pity you don't know say me have something special for you.
They expect you earlier. You didn't have to stop to deal with something, man. So, go on. Whole heap of things are going. Big things are going. Enough bookings and people are all at third back.
What you say?
Yes,
What's on, man? What you answer to me? The place fully booked?
Fully booked.
So that mean now we have to up and down the 2 room them.
Yeah. One almost done. I just some wiring to deal with.
The furniture them reach?
Yeah. One room fully furnished, but me didn't have to stop the electrician man them.
Wow.
The man them a run some flimsy wire when me know say nah go carry the current good.
Hey, Trevor. Make sure so that part don't get play with, you know. Cause a bun down place sitting that, you know. Flimsy wire.
So why you think me stop the brother there? Me no run electrical joke.
So, how long it gonna delay for?
About a couple of weeks. That's why me have to monitor it personally.
Okay. Well, cool. Mr. Sullivan, look like you find your niche, man.
I tell you the truth, it's a good feeling. Yeah.
It's always good when we find our purpose, brother. Because enough of we are run around out of our zone.
I mean, did I do that for years now?
Well, the important thing is you find yourself.
So Carlton, you really take on 3 more projects? How you gonna find time to deal with it?
It's simple, brother. Just delegate.
And you're sure you're gonna get the right quality work?
You will give me the right quality work, no?
Yeah.
Exactly. It comes down to trust and respect. Certain things money can't buy. And me always find the right people them to do the job. It's like a gift. Call it my superpower.
Alright now, if me don't know nothing else, I know that.
The truth is, some people despise me for that. For the good relationship I have with the people in the business. You want the water?
Let me tell you something. Money can't buy them type of relationship for real.
Exactly. Because them friendship there go through the fire and develop a bond where money can't broke.
Carlton, I did have to ask how nice if you leave the property, you know.
Oh, God. What happened now?
She and Camille kick off.
On the property?
Well, yeah.
Trevor, you man them kick off on property with guests, with the place full of guests?
Well, the guests them never really see or hear nothing.
I tell you, I don't want a confrontation in my place, you know.
It wasn't really no confrontation, it's just that Camille just thump her down.
What? Thump her down?
Boop in her face, she flat out.
Knock her out cool? Cool.
I tell you.
You know what? That's bigger coming for me the next time you see her.
Well, that if she gonna talk to me after this.
You know, some things in your life change for the better, you know. But the woman part, you still need to work on that. You don't get that part right yet.
That's cool, Carlton, man. I still a work on it.